A routine traffic stop turned into a deadly shootout in Fairfax County, Virginia. 2 officers were shot, 1 bullet passing through both of them, and the suspect was killed on the scene. The Bodycam and GoPro footage captured every terrifying second. In this video, we break down the newly released footage, what led to the gunfire, and how one officer's actions may have saved lives.
Take it. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to give me that?
Hey, don't you reach it. No. Fuck! Listen, American. This is, take it. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want
No.
Hey, don't you reach it.
No.
Hey, 10 Bravo, everybody slow down. You want to get him out?
Hey, so listen, American. This is, take it. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to
No.
Hey, don't you reach it.
No.
Bravo, everybody slow down.
Units Rapid Steady, slow it down, 1441.
Hey, listen, American. This is, take it. I take this with you, okay? No.
Hey, don't you reach it. No. 800 Bravo, shots fired.
800 Bravo, shots fired.
800 Bravo, signal 1. 801. Yeah. 800 Bravo.
Entry 800 on a traffic stop area 810 12914 Fairfax Parkway 1436.
That was a heck of a stop, sir.
I have a gun and I'm armed. I'll let you know. So why did you pull me over?
Your inspection sticker expired
they
last.
know. Call Joe Biden or call George Bush.
What's your driver's
No,
license?
there's no. I don't have a driving license.
Why not?
Go back, sit in the fucking car, and leave.
No, sir.
No?
It doesn't work that way.
Okay, so go ahead, do whatever you want to do.
Can I get your name?
No,
No?
you're fucking killing me. You fucking people don't get a disability. Fucking, I have kids and I have a lot of fucking bullshit things. You fucking dumbass fucking people. You fucking assholes.
Majestic.
I can't even go
Northbound
back to my
at
fucking country because of you fucking
Greenbrier
people.
Shopping
I
Center.
started in fucking army. I died when I was serving you with you liars, with you people, with American status.
I served as well, sir.
Yeah. You fucking people brought me to this goddamn country, and I'm dying every fucking single day, and I have 4 children, and we wholly survive because you're a fucking racist people. Yeah, because I can't get a job. So why are you fucking trying to kill me? I'm already died. I don't give a damn fuck.
Don't reach for anything, dude. Don't unbuckle that.
I'm telling you, don't reach. I'm telling you, don't reach. I don't give a
Subject keeps
damn
reaching.
fuck. I don't give a damn fuck. Don't do anything. I don't give a damn fuck.
Okay.
You liars.
So what I'm asking for is you to identify yourself.
White people, you lied for 25 years. You brought me to this country. I served with special forces. I lost my own fucking brother. I lost my everything.
I'm sorry.
I have nothing.
I'm sorry to hear that.
No, you should have served with fucking Taliban better than you. I was concerned and a fucking dumbass fuck when I was concerned about Taliban, but in America, since 2014, I'm concerned more about you people. Because
So these are my partners here. They're coming up. I don't want you to get rattled, but it's because you were reaching for your weapon.
No, I'm not reading, sir. Hey,
I
sir,
watched you do it.
I don't give a damn fuck.
Bravo, everybody slow down. Units Rapid Steady, slow it down, 1441.
Hey,
So-
listen, American. This is, take it. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to give me that?
Hey, don't you reach it. No.
800 Bravo, shots fired.
800 Bravo, shots fired.
800 Bravo, signal 1. 801. Yeah? 800.
Voice near.
I
wait. Ready, Sarge? All right, here we go. Let him.
Hey, where's the ambulance staging? Aaron's gonna take me there. They're staging Route 50 in Woodbury, Renham. Alright, this is at 80. 810's taking me.
The suspect, Jamal Wali, was a father of 4 and a former translator for U.S. forces. But in a split-second decision, he chose to open fire on police. Thanks to a swift response, no officers lost their lives. But one bullet changed everything. What are your thoughts on how this situation was handled? Drop a comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more breakdowns of real-life police encounters.